Hi everyone, it's Jackie with Washington County 4-H, and I am so excited to be here today to teach you how to make a solar oven s'mores. To get started, here are some of the materials that you will need. One pizza box or a box with a hinged lid such as a shoebox, aluminum foil, plastic wrap or 2-gallon size bags, black construction paper, one ruler, one marker, glue such as Elmer's glue, a utility knife or scissors, and most importantly, s'mores ingredients. Here's a picture of what our solar oven will look like once we complete it. Let's go ahead and get started. The first step in making our solar oven will be to draw lines 1 inch on all sides of the top of the pizza box, except the part that folds. As you can see here, I have my lines drawn. At this time, you can use the help of an adult to cut along those black lines to make the lid go up. Here's a picture of what the lid will look like once it's up. At the time that the lid is up, you will then take a piece of aluminum foil and you will glue it on to the lid, and this is what the aluminum foil glued onto the lid will look like. Our next step is to take that plastic wrap, and you're gonna want it to be as tight as you can get it, and you're gonna tape it on the inside and the top of the pizza box to keep that screen. If you think of your oven at home, this would be like the window that is in your oven. Our next step is to open up to the bottom part of our pizza box. We are going to take another piece of aluminum foil and we are going to glue that piece of aluminum foil to the bottom of our pizza box. The next step is to take a piece of black construction paper and you are going to glue that black construction paper on top of the tin foil that you just put down. Now, we have completed the steps of constructing our pizza box. What is next? We're gonna make the s'mores. Line up your bottom graham cracker crust, put your favorite chocolate on top, and then you're gonna put a marshmallow on top. What do we do after that? We put our solar oven outside. So now you might be wondering, why did we do all of this and how is it gonna melt my s'mores? Well, that shiny tin foil that is on the flap is going to attract the sun. Now, we have the window and we pulled it as tight as we could pull it, if you remember. That is going to keep all of the heat from the sun inside of the box. Now, the black paper that we put inside the box, black absorbs heat. So if you're outside on a hot summer day and you're wearing a black t-shirt, you get kind of hot, hotter than if you were wearing a gray colored t-shirt. Now, we put that tin foil underneath the black construction paper. And what is that doing, you're asking? That is acting as insulation for our pizza oven. And such as inside of your house you have insulation, our solar oven has insulation, and that is also helping to keep the heat inside of our solar oven. Now, how long are your s'mores gonna take? They'll take in between 15 to 30 minutes to melt. Now, that might be a long time, but that gives you time to go play outside or do anything fun while you observe. When is it time to pull your s'mores off and enjoy the deliciousness? When they start to look like this. You can see that my s'mores that I made, the chocolate was kind of getting runny. So that's when I decided they were done. The marshmallows aren't toasted brown as if you're holding them over a campfire, but they're still just as tasty. So at this time, you can take your s'mores out and top them with your top graham cracker and enjoy. I hope that you guys had fun, and I'd love to see you guys creating your own solar ovens. If any of you created them, go ahead and send them to me at washingtoncounty4h@unl.edu. Thanks for creating with us. Enjoy your s'mores.